Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Nana Firdaus, and on today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to cut and sew this beautiful trending hijab. Without further ado, let's get started. So for this tutorial, all you'll be needing is one trouser length or 1.5 yards of a stretchy material. I use Lycra material for this. So the first thing you'll do is you fold your material into two, then you are going to fold it into two diagonally this way also, as shown in the video. So for the upper part, I'm going to start with the lower part of the hijab. So for the neckline of the lower part of the hijab, I'm going to measure 7 inches from the folded edge inwards this way. Then for the length, I'll be using 18 inches on that folded edge, which is the midpoint of the lower part of the hijab. And then for this other side, which is for the sides of my hijab, I'll be using 16 inches. So I'll measure it downwards this way and I'll be cutting it out. After doing that, to cut the overlap of the front part of the hijab, I'm going to place a fabric down which I folded into two with the wrong sides facing each other. Then I'll be placing one of the lower part that I cut out earlier on it this way, because I'll need to trace it out. So after placing it on it, on the sides I came up by 7 inches. Because the overlap is going to be shorter than the main body, then I'm going to trace it out this way and curve it out as shown in the video. After cutting it out, this is what I'm going to have. So this is what it's going to look like after placing it on it. And now to the upper part of the hijab, you are going to fold your fabric into 4. Then from the folded edge, you are going to measure 5 inches inwards on the upper part, which is for your face circumference, since you are using a stretchy fabric. The length will be 15 inches, which is what I measured on this folded edge. On the lower part, I'm going to measure 7 inches, which was what I measured for the neckline of that lower part of the hijab. So for the side of the hijab, I'm going to measure 13 inches and I'm going to trace everything out this way. The next thing is to cut your hijab cap. You are going to fold your fabric into 4. The hijab cap height will be 4 inches and the width will be 7 inches. And I'm going to cut it out this way. So you can either cut out 1 inch wide fabric for your loop, or you use your cord to make the loop. Now for the sewing aspect, you are going to start with the overlap. So you are going to place it down. Make sure the right side is facing up, and then you are going to hem this curved end of your overlap. You are going to hem it. After hemming it, this is what you are going to have. So the next thing is to sew your lace trimmings on the curved edges that you just hemmed. You are going to sew your lace trimmings on it. After doing that, it's time to fix your loop to the curved ends of the overlap. So you can either use the 1 inch wide fabric that you cut out earlier. You are going to turn it into a rope, then you cut 3 inches long rope each. So you are going to cut 3 pieces for each side. So when you want to sew it on it, you are going to fold it into 2 to make a loop. Then you come down by 1 inch from the edge and you're going to place the first one there. Then you measure another 1.5 inch or 1 inch difference between 2 loops, and you're going to place your second loop there. Then you measure either 1.5 or 1 inch downwards again, and you're going to place the third loop there. So you are going to repeat the same thing for the other side too. You measure 1 inch away from the edges because you need to sew it to the upper part of your hijab, and then you are going to place your loop there you go down by either 1 inch or 1.5 inches, place the second loop, go down by 1 inch or 1.5 inches and place the third loop there. And that is that on how to fix the loop. So you can either decide to place the loop on it before attaching your lace trimmings to it, so it's going to be very neat. After doing that, you are going to pick one part of the lower part of your hijab. You fold it into two, notch the midpoint of the neck part so you know where the midpoint is. You are going to place it with the right side facing up. Then you'll be placing your overlap on it with the wrong side facing the right side of the main fabric this way, and you are going to align it properly. After aligning it, you are going to use your pin to hold it in place pending the time that you are going to sew it down. Now to the upper part of your hijab, you are going to pick one part of it which is meant for the front part. You will lay it down, then on the folded edge just measure 12 inches. That means you are removing 3 inches from it so it doesn't bulge in front, and you are going to trim it to meet the side of your front part this way, and you will cut it out. After cutting it out, don't forget to notch the midpoint this way. So after notching it, you are going to place the lower part of the front panel with the right side facing up. Then you'll be placing the upper part of your front panel. You are going to place it on it with the right side facing the right side of the lower part this way. Place the notch points on each other, pin it down and align the sides. Then you are going to sew it down as shown in the video. After sewing it, this is what you are going to have. So it's time to work on the back part of the hijab. You are going to repeat the same thing. Fold your neckline into two, notch the midpoint, place your fabric with the right side facing up. Then you pick the upper part of the back panel. You are going to notch the lower part, you notch the midpoint, and then you'll be placing the notch points on each other with the right sides facing each other, and then you are going to sew it down. After doing that, you are going to place the back part of your hijab with the right side facing up. Then you place the front part of your hijab with the right side facing the right side of the back panel. And then you start sewing from the neckline down to the sides of your hijab. Don't forget to remove the pins that you used to align the overlap on the front part of your hijab while sewing it. And then you are going to repeat the same thing for the other side too. Once you are done with that, you are going to fold the neckline of the back part of your hijab into two, and you will notch the midpoint this way, so you are going to know where to place your hijab cap on it. After notching it, you are going to place the notch point of your hijab cap on that notch point that you just made now. Align the sides and you are going to sew it down. After joining everything together, this is what you will have. All you have left now is to hem all the rough edges, and that is that on how to make this beautiful hijab. After sewing it, you are going to insert your abaya rope into the loops that you made earlier, and that is that. If you found this tutorial video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, suggestions or tips you would like to share, kindly drop them in the comment section. Have a great day. Ma salam.